thank you so much for coming back for another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I cleaned my car. So I'm gonna share some car hacks with you and to be able to keep our car clean. So stay tuned all the way till the end. So I'm like getting used to like vlogging, and then I still get shy. Like I'm like in my car filming, and then like someone passed by and I got shy. Okay, take two. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you. My car is a mess and I'm kind of embarrassed by it, but that's the point of these videos, because they're real and raw. And I'm gonna show you what I got going on in here, and then inside my console here, let me just like show, what do I even have in here? Like, so I have some essential oils, I have my lipstick, and then I have a pen. I have my purse, my Fossil purse. I love my Fossil purse. Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing. That's when I spilled coffee and I never cleaned it up, okay? And then I have this, it holds my phone. It's like an alligator case. So it's really cool because it's like sturdy so it doesn't move. Okay, so I have some things I need to donate. So this is like a nursing pump that I need to donate, and I have a bag here that I need to donate. And then I have some toys, and then some, like Abraham's bag is here with some toys there and some shoes. And I have his car seat, and I have his little feet and handcraft. And then I have some things back there. Okay, so I have like Christmas presents in here because I need to give it to my friend. And then let's get started.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing
So I have one bag for stuff I'm gonna put in the house, and then for trash. Two bags here. Okay, seriously, what do I even have back here? Okay, so I have a stroller. And then I have a baby holder. Oh my gosh, you guys. Seriously? This is crazy. Oh, I have jewelry and donation. Insane.
need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record.
So the first hack I want to share with you is putting a trash can inside your car. This does not look cute, but honestly, it has been so helpful to keeping my car clean because I discipline myself every single day. Whatever trash is on the floor, I put inside the trash can. So, trash can in the front seat is a must. You guys, okay, I found a bottle in my car. That is so nasty. I'm just gonna literally throw this away.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this
The second hack I have is to keep a cubby of snacks such as goldfish, diapers, and wipes inside your car, because the worst thing is forgetting those in your diaper bag, but you can also have peace knowing that it is still in your car. I understand that some people don't let their kids eat in their car, but I have two littles who is 1 and 2, and I totally let them snack in my car. Man, guys, this is like a whole operation. No wonder I don't do this that much. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean the interior.
I believe in those things we don't know much of. There's just
on the interior, I am just using water and a cloth to wipe down all the dust, and then on the areas where there is stains, I'm using Clorox.
Cause I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress and no work, no trying to fix what we are. Just go to the deepest end. I never got to let loose, hanging out with you. You tossed and you turned our love into a stiff statue. My brain was having enough, like my thoughts just
I put the air freshener in the third row because
leaving this bad old spot. I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird.
okay, guys, so it's the next day, and I'm going to the car wash to vacuum my car because there's a free car wash option, and then I'm going to go through the drive-through car wash. Also, I wanted to give you a car hack. I don't know if you guys knew this, but you know, you're ever driving and you're like, let's say for example, like you just got your car and you don't know, like you forget what side your gas pump is. Did you know that your car actually tells you? Let me show you. Okay, so here for the gas tank, you can see it here. If it is pointing to the left, you see the gas tank there. If it's pointing to the left, that means your gas tank is to the left, and if it's pointing to the right, it's pointing to the right. So enjoy that car hack. So you're welcome, because it's like so embarrassing, right? Like when you drive up and then you realize that your like gas tank is on the wrong side of the car. It's like, yay to free. The third hack is vacuum bi-weekly. I am never motivated to clean my car, so this is just one of those things where I literally have to do. And I put it on my calendar and then I get it done, and it takes me about 20 minutes.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can go on again.
So I'm inside the car wash, and I vacuumed the inside of my car after work, so I was able to get some kind of built up energy to I'm getting a car wash, you guys.
You know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. Caught up in the flashing light, keeps it dead in my mind.
Okay, so it's finally all clean. So let me show you. All vacuum there.
But we should know better.
And I have just got off of work, so just want to show you
Seem
everything.
like you want it bad.
And I have this caddy here where I have like snacks, wipes, graham crackers, toys. So I keep it all in there so it's not just like flying around. And then I have a bag for donation for Goodwill that has been there for about 1 month. I need to drop it off. And then I have my friend's kid's birthday gift. So I also have a microwave in my trunk, which is hilarious because I need to give that to my mom. So what I do is like, I just put the things in my car that I need to give away so I don't have to, so I can remember, so it's there and available. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you would consider hitting that red subscribe button and sharing this video with any working moms that you may have. I love sharing working mom lifestyle videos. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.